All right, guys. Hey, look, I can promise you, I know there are a ton of you out there chomping at the bit for this update. So you're going to want to watch this video because this is going to change the way you do business inside of REI BlackBook and open up so many doors and possibilities. All right, so watch this. Introducing multiple mail profiles. Okay, so what we want to do is we want to come inside to the Client Genie. And once you click on your settings icon, you're going to notice you have mail merge profiles. So here we go. So I've got my mail merge profile here. So Damon Remy, support at REIBlackBook.com. That's going to be my primary profile. But I can go ahead and enter in a new profile. So maybe I'm going to do Damon's plumbing business. So Damon at plumbing.com. Now we actually can do all of our mail merge profiles, all that good stuff. Save the address. We'll go. There we go. Damon plumbing.com. Let's go ahead and hit save. So there we go. You can see that I actually have multiple mail merge profiles. So what does that actually mean? Well, let's go over and take a look at our email settings. And let's say that I would like to create a new email template and create an autoresponder for my plumbing business. So plumbing email number 1, and of course you're going to want to spell it right. And intro to my services. But which email do I want that to come from? Well, I want it to come from my plumbing business, okay? So I want it to come from my plumbing business. So there we go. We can actually hit save. And now we'll go ahead and do email number 2 for plumbing. Follow up. And of course I want that to come from Damon's Plumbing. There we go. Let's hit save. And of course now I'd love to be able to set that up as an autoresponder. So I'm going to come in and go to my autoresponders. Let's create a new campaign. So here's my plumbing business autoresponder. Let's go ahead and hit save. And we're going to add a step. Of course, the first step we're going to go ahead and do is our plumbing email number 1. Let's go ahead and save that. Go ahead and add step number 2. I want that to be the follow-up. And that's going to be email number 2 for plumbing. And let's go ahead and hit save. So just like that, I've actually now been able to create an autoresponder for my plumbing business. And of course, if I want to build an action set, so let's go ahead and build a new action set for my plumbing business. And what we want to do is, of course, we want to set the category. Now, you would want to go ahead and create a category of plumbing. So I haven't done that yet. So let's do that really quick before we actually go in and create our action sets. So I'm going to go ahead and create a new category. Plumbing lead. And of course I can set flags if I want as well. And this is a toilet backup type of lead, whatever, right? So there we go, we create our flag. Now I'm going to go ahead and create my action set. Let's go ahead and create our plumbing action set now. Let's hit save. And of course I'm going to set the category. Now we've got our plumbing in here. So set the category as plumbing lead. And I'm going to go ahead and assign the autoresponder to my plumbing business autoresponder. And so there we go. That's the action set. So our plumbing business, it's going to set the category to plumbing lead and go ahead and assign the autoresponder to the plumbing business autoresponder, which will be delivered from your new mail merge profile from your plumbing business. So there we go. That's finished. Now let's go ahead and let's go into our new web tools. And I don't have to create an action set because that's already done, but I'd love to create let's just create an opt-in pop-up real quick. So we're going to go ahead and create an opt-in pop-up. And this is going to be for my plumbing business. We'll create the opt-in pop-up. All right, well that image isn't great. So here what we're going to do is let's go ahead and edit this, grab their attention. 50% coupon for plumbing services. And of course we'll edit the image. Let's see if we've got anything in the global library that makes more sense. Let's see. I'm just looking at images, guys, so you can really pick just about anything here. We'll go ahead and select this image. That's fine for now. Actually, you know what? Maybe there's some stuff here. There we go. That one looks a little better. Let's select that photo. So 50% coupon. All right. All right. So we need a catchy headline for our plumbing business. Save header. Download coupon. Save the submit button. There we go. So 50% coupon for plumbing services, catchy plumbing business title, whatever. Download the coupon. But whenever they take action on this, of course, I would like to go ahead. So in other words, whenever they request this, I'd like to go ahead and assign the plumbing business action set, which is going to, again, set the category to plumbing lead and then assign them the autoresponder. Now in the autoresponder, that first email, of course, we could email them out the coupon. So let's go ahead and hit save actions. And we can edit the thank you message, of course. So it says thank you for emergency service. Call 314-555-1212, right? Or we could send them to another landing page or another page, which might be my entire plumbing business site or another landing page, whatever we want to do. But right now we're just going to have a little pop-up. Let's go ahead and hit save thank you. And that's it, guys. Let's go ahead and hit done. We're going to publish the changes. And now I need to create a nice new landing page because I'm going to run an ad maybe and start driving traffic directly to my landing page for plumbing. So I'm going to come in, I'm going to go to landing pages, add new landing page. Now of course I can select one of the other landing pages, templates of course. So let's go ahead and let's just select this one, that's fine. This is going to be my plumbing business. I'm going to use generic text, okay? I'm not going to pre-fill any of the content with our pre-generated content text and stuff like that. So I'm going to select generic text, select next. Which opt-in pop-up do I want? Well, I want to use the opt-in pop-up we just created for our plumbing business. Let's build the landing page. All right, so there we go, guys. We just actually have built out a landing page specifically for our plumbing business. And of course, we're going to let them know. It's 50% off their next service call. All right. We're going to go ahead and tell them why we're awesome. Okay, you can edit that, of course. And then let's change our button. So there we go. All right, so remember we already created this, so that's awesome. That's done. Publish changes. And then we're actually set, guys. I mean, this is simple stuff, but we've actually just built out a complete landing page offer for our plumbing business. Now, of course, there's other settings here if I want to change out maybe the page background. All right, well, I'm going to delete this image. And you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to pause this really quick. All right, so here we go. Let's go ahead and select an image that's more reflective. All right, well, I don't have any good images here, so I'm going to go ahead and upload a file. Let's go to my desktop. Let's see, we got this plumbing repairs icon here, our image, I should say. Let's go ahead and upload that. There we go. Let's select the image. So now that's going to be our new background. Let's save. And then it does need to reload the page, so we're going to go ahead and hit reload page. And there we go. So now we actually built out a landing page, guys, specifically for our plumbing business. We built out the action set that's going to capture the lead inside the Client Genie. It's going to categorize them as a plumbing lead. It's going to send out an autoresponder. It's going to deliver them the 50% off coupon as that first email. And those emails are going to come from your plumbing business. So guys, it's a little over 10 minutes here. And we just built out a complete campaign funnel in about 10 minutes for a completely different business outside of real estate. All right, guys, let me know what you think. Love to hear your feedback. We'll talk to you soon.